I just don't put up with bullshit.
I wasn't giving you bullshit.
I just don't put up with crap anymore.
Well, I'm sorry,
I thought
whoever
you were
did something to you, but it wasn't me.
I tell you,
You're being really. Hey, stop! Don't do that! Hey, stop!
Okay,
Hey, look
go
at! Don't be mean to me! Look at what he's doing! He's hurting me!
Okay, stop.
He doesn't have to hurt me!
Okay.
Operating.
So she only rang up 4 items.
Yeah.
But she took all the other items, so she took those items past the final point of sale without paying for them.
Okay, stand up. You're under arrest.
No.
Stand up.
haven't
You are
done
under
anything.
arrest.
Look, why is he being rude like that?
Because you're under arrest.
You're being really. Hey, stop! Don't do that! Hey, stop! What are
Okay.
you doing? What are you doing? Why
Are you going to resist?
I'm not!
Then
Why are you
stand
getting
up.
rough? Why is he getting rough?
Because you are under
But I
arrest.
haven't even
Stand
done
up.
anything.
You did. You shoplifted. Stand up.
No,
You're under arrest.
but
Let go
look
of the
at
bag.
Don't be
Let go
mean
of the
to
bag.
me. Look at what he's doing. He's hurting me.
Okay,
He
stop.
doesn't
Let go
have
of
to
your
hurt
bag.
me.
Okay, then
Okay,
He
go
doesn't
off.
have to
Stop
hurt
Then you
me.
need to stand
Tell
up.
him to stop hurting me.
Not till you stand
No,
up.
tell him to
You're gonna
stop.
stand
I'm
up.
not. But I'm not doing anything wrong. Hold on. Stop.
Now you're gonna go to the
Please
ground.
don't. No, don't. Don't do that to me. I'm not resisting. Please stop, guys. Please, I'm just hurt. Don't hurt me. I'm not resisting. You guys don't have to hurt me.
Then you stop resisting
I'm
right now.
not trying to resist. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Why are you hurting me?
Put your arm behind
Please.
you.
You're going to go to jail.
Put your
But
arm
I'm
behind
not
you.
doing anything wrong. You don't have to be rude and mean like this. I was just talking with him first, so we can understand each other. You're hurting me. I'm not resisting, you
Then
guys.
don't pull your arms away.
I'm
You
not
understand?
resisting, but don't hurt me.
Okay, then don't pull your
You're
arms away.
hurting me. Please don't hurt me. Please. You're hurting me. My arm. My arm. Please don't hurt me. Please. You guys, I'm not resisting. Don't hurt me.
Okay, you are under arrest.
Okay, but you don't have to hurt me. I'm not trying to fight you.
Be quiet.
No, you don't have to be mean like that.
Now you're going to go to jail.
But I'm not doing anything. I was trying to talk to him about what I got.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that? What are you doing?
Stand up.
Why are you treating me like this? I
Stand
can't get up like that. My God. Why are you being
Stand up.
fucked up? I didn't resist.
Sit down.
You're being mean.
Oh, you haven't seen the...
Why? What's wrong with you? Why do you have to do that? You didn't have to do that. You don't have to
I
yell
told
and
you.
cuss at me. I've been asking him. He just looked in there and there's not. There's nothing in there from the store. See? I didn't shoplift. God. There's nothing in there from the store. There's nothing in there.
Believe.
Well, look at there's nothing in there from the store. God.
I don't care if it's $2.
There isn't anything in there.
Oh, but she still has some upfront charges on this one.
Yeah.
Why? I rang what I had on the
Because
thing.
you turned a simple shoplift.
I didn't.
Into a
No,
fight.
I didn't. You
Yes, you
wanted
did.
to get rough. I'm not even. I wasn't even resisting.
I told you
You started cussing at
maybe 3
me.
times to put your bag on the ground. And you know why I do that?
4 items on it.
Right here.
I wasn't doing
That's why I tell
anything.
people to put their bags
But
on
was
the
I
ground.
doing anything like that? I wasn't doing anything to put
Just
you
be
in
quiet
harm.
already.
No, that's not right what you did. That's not right what you did. I was not trying to hurt anybody. I don't deserve to be treated like that.
Then don't resist.
I wasn't resisting.
Oh, that's not what the body cam's gonna show.
Oh, I'm sure it is going to show that because I didn't resist anything.
All right, I'm going to read you some stuff real quick. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you're not afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before question if you wish. You can describe at any time, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? No, you don't? Okay, I'll read them to you again. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or not make any statements. Not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? No, you still don't? Okay, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
What are you saying? Ooh.
I'll take that as a guess.
I'm guessing your name's not Vladimir.
No, that is not. I just bought a car. It's not Vladimir.
Yeah, what kind of car? What kind of car?
What do you mean?
What kind of car did you just buy?
A Kia?
What year?
08, I believe.
From who was that?
Huh? It was from Vladimir, not
What's
to
Vladimir's?
Vladimir.
What's Vladimir's last name?
I don't remember his last
Must have
name.
filled out the transfer.
Yes, the title. I didn't write his
More
information, I
importantly-
wrote mine.
What is your last name? What's your last name? Do you have a Washington State ID or driver's license?
No.
What state is it out of?
No. I've only lived in Washington, so I don't
So
have.
you never had an ID?
I just don't have one.
You don't have it with you?
No, mine expired.
But you've had one before.
You have a two-part last name or one part?
No.
No. What? Yes or no? Do you have a two-part
I
name?
said
or
no.
One-part name? No. What's your first name?
Tara, and I was not resisting you.
Whatever.
I
How do you
wasn't.
spell Tara?
You got in my face, started yelling for no reason.
1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 witnesses.
Yeah, and I wasn't resisting
What do
you.
you think?
No.
You stand up, turn around. He just didn't want to.
Look, first I told you
I
put
was
your bag
sitting
down.
there talking. They
many
told me
times
to
did I
come
tell
in
you?
here to talk, and
How
I
many times did
came
I tell
in
you
here
to put your bag
talk.
down? Huh? Answer that.
That's
3,
not how you
4?
talk to people. My God,
I always start off nice.
that wasn't nice at all. Look at what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Pointing at me?
I'm
You're
putting
very,
it in.
very aggressive. You don't have to be
How am
that
I
way.
aggressive? I just don't put up with bullshit.
I wasn't giving you bullshit.
I just don't put up with crap anymore.
Well,
You know,
I'm sorry
I thought you
whoever
could
did something to you, but it wasn't me.
I tell you to do something, you do something.
I didn't
That's how it
do
works.
anything to you for you to treat me that way.
Tara, how do you spell your first
Alright.
name? Is it Terra?
Yes.
Terra?
Yes.
How do you spell that? T
R
R
A
R
A.
Actually, he has a 9 actually.
R.
Huh?
How do
A
you spell your first name? What's your middle initial?
A.
What is the birthday?
What?
Your birthday.
6.
Say that again.
See, there was not anything in
You
there.
said what? 76.
Yeah, and there was not anything in there that was
Okay.
stolen.
How do you spell your
guys
first
need
name
to
again?
stop.
It's Tara or Terra?
T-A-R-A.
Tara. Okay.
How tall would you say you are?
I don't know.
Take a wild guess.
You 5'4", 5'6", 5'7".
You should know. You just dropped me on the floor.
Okay, so if you want to go back to this, Tara, right? He asked
wasn't
you.
doing
Stop.
anything wrong.
You've already talked enough. You're going to listen now, okay? He asked you to stand up. You didn't want to stand up for him. I asked you to stand up and drop your bag. Right? My body camera wouldn't have got knocked off. If you would have,
I didn't knock anything
it
off
did get
of
knocked
you,
off
but
because
not
my
because
camera's
of
been.
me.
It was because of you, right?
No, it was.
So I asked you, listen,
it wasn't.
stop. It's not back and forth, okay? I'm going to tell you what
That's
happened.
not true.
I asked you to stand up. You refused. Did you not? So you're telling me you stood up when I asked you to stand up, yes? Is that what you're saying?
He told me to come in here, and I
Right,
came
and you-
in here.
Yeah, and you did. After that is what I'm talking about. I asked you to
5
stand up.
different people telling me to do different things?
No.
Yeah.
There's 2 of us, and we told you to
No,
stand up.
there's 5 men in here.
Correct. And
just
not all
me.
5 of them were talking to you.
Yeah.
Me and
they
my partner
were.
told you to stand up, did we not?
I was talking with him.
Okay. I'm not asking what you were talking about. Did we tell you to stand up, yes or no?
I don't know, because I was talking with him.
Okay. So when I came around, after my partner grabbed you, and I looked you in your eyes, I said, drop your bag. You dropped your bag, or did I have
After
to
he
pull it from
grabbed
you?
me?
Yeah, after he grabbed you. Because you were under arrest. He advised you were under arrest. I advised you were under
So he
arrest.
grabbed me and then you grabbed me.
Yeah, because you were under arrest.
But I wasn't resisting.
It doesn't matter if you were resisting. You were under arrest. Which means we have the right to use force to put you in handcuffs.
You
Which
didn't
means
have
we're
to
allowed to
do
touch you. We didn't have to. If you would have listened, if you would have stood up and turned around like we told you to, you wouldn't have ended up on the ground. But you did end up on the ground because of your choices, not because of ours. We don't want to take people to the ground.
You didn't have to do that.
Yeah, we sure did not have to if you would have listened.
Didn't
You
have
forced
to.
us.
No, I
Yes,
didn't.
you did.
I didn't force.
You did, because even after you curled up on that thing and knocked off my body camera.
Oh, I was swinging and pushing and hitting.
That's not what I said.
That's not true.
Okay, well, I never said that. I said you curled up on the bench. You knocked off my body camera.
However you want to say it.
It's going to be on the body camera.
Okay.
And you can request this too.
I don't need to request any.
Okay. Well, they'll play it for you in court.
You didn't have to do that.
Well, if you would have listened, we wouldn't have had to have done it. If it was something simple, we probably were just going to trespass you. You probably would have been on your way. But now you're probably going to spend the weekend in Squirt jail. Because you won't be able to see a judge till Monday.
I wasn't trying to resist you guys.
Well, did you listen to us when we asked you to do simple things?
I was talking with him.
Okay, that's not what I'm asking.
So
That's not what I'm
talking
asking.
with 5 different people at one time is not.
Okay, what were the 2 police officers telling you to do?
I was talking with him.
Okay, that's
So I
that's
don't
past
know.
the point. Because my partner, he was not even in the room when I came in.
Well, your partner was yelling.
Okay, and what was
having
he yelling you to?
conversation
What was
with
he
him.
yelling at you to do?
I don't know. I just seen his eyes
Okay.
looking at me really aggressively.
Okay, well, if you would have listened to him the first time he told you to do something, he probably wouldn't have had to yell at you. I worked with him for a long time. He doesn't just yell at people for no reason.
It's however you want to say it.
Okay.
He didn't have to get that aggressive.
Okay. And you said you didn't do anything wrong today, correct? You said you checked out and bought everything?
Yes.
Okay. So this is your receipt that you had when you checked out, right?
Yes.
So you spent...
This is the one you checked out.
Oh, this was checked out with. Okay. So you only bought 4 items from Walmart today?
I bought the bed and the flour and the. I don't remember what else it was. 2 other things.
Okay, so you bought 4 things. How many things were in your cart when you walked out of the store?
The bed and the flowers and.
And there was nothing else?
No, there was the other thing. I don't remember what the other thing was for the dog.
Okay. And this is the total amount of stuff that was in the cart?
In your cart, you only
I've got 10 items in my cart.
Yep. If you count this as an item, this is what you stand in place of the dog that you actually have.
Oh.
$8. The one you walk out with was $45.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
So you accidentally took this off the other dog bed and scanned this in this place.
No, I was looking at I thought it was a cat bed, and I was going to get the cat bed too. I had a bunch of things in my item, but in my cart. I didn't realize that I had my EBT card. I didn't have it with me. That's why I put
You're not
everything
helping
back.
yourself by any means. We've been watching you for the entire time. We watched you grab the cat bed, then throw it back up on the top shelf. So just shut up. The best thing you could do is remain silent.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
It's my cat.
And the flour that
You scanned
they
it
were,
on the
yeah,
floor,
but they were clearance. They were clearance, and that's why I forgot about scanning, because I was thinking about who was I supposed to talk to about them being marked down. The lady back there with me she was saying the same thing, that the guy would mark them down for us. They were in clearance.
You got a story for the dog food too? That you didn't scan?
No, I forgot the dog food, I guess.
How about that spray stuff you had hidden underneath the dog food bag?
I don't know about the spray stuff. I thought I put everything back.
So it just jumped into your cart underneath?
No. If you were watching and you seen I was putting everything back, because I didn't have my EBT
Put
card.
everything back, we wouldn't be here right now.
That's what I was trying to do, is put the stuff back in the areas that
Yeah,
it
you know,
goes.
I took pictures of them. Have you taken anything today? Any drugs off or anything like that? No? Okay. Do you have any mental health conditions or anything? No? Okay. Have you ever shoplifted from Walmart before? No?
I mean, chances are the way she acted with you guys, she probably acted with them too.
No, I haven't.
She's just an unknown.
No, it's not true.
first time you blanked out? All we heard was breathing. Don't worry. What?
Well, it was
Yeah.
a bit of a scuffle.
I wasn't trying to.
And this room's not very big.
Yeah.
Oh, was it here?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Here, you want to watch it? You can probably play the video for you. I wrote my body cam.
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't trying to fight you. I was trying to talk to the guy that brought me in the room.
Good talking.
And this little present was in the bag that she refused
But
to.
I didn't pull that out to hurt anybody.
Evidence.
Just
For
stand up.
safekeeping. Do you have anything in your pockets that might get you in trouble in jail?
No.
Okay.
Can you stand up, please?
You're under arrest for theft in the 3rd degree and resisting arrest.
I wasn't resisting. He's
Stand up.
already yelling at me.
You can, well, believe it or not, when
Turn around.
you don't do what the police officers ask you to do.
You
sometimes
started
they-
yelling.
Go ahead and widen your
No
stance. Go
reason.
ahead and widen your stance.
Like a little history in our system too.
I don't have a history.
Go ahead.
Possession of stolen vehicle.
I don't have a stolen vehicle.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
No, I don't. That's
Then the computer's lying.
yeah,
Like everybody
yeah.
else is.
I was not charged with any of that. With my roommate.
Yeah,
That's not true.
Not having it.
What are you doing?
We're going to a car. What do you mean? What am I doing?
Yeah, but why are you telling me like that?
Well, if you would walk, I wouldn't have to pull you
But
anyway.
you had to put my arm around.
Okay.
Stop.
Would you rather? Okay, I'll put it down. Is that better for you?
I'm not. Stop trying to be mean to me, man. I'm not trying to resist.
Okay,
you.
I'm not saying that you are, Tara. Oh, he's gonna take a picture real quick.
Let me in.
You're not going in the
No.
car yet, Tara. He's gonna take a photo of you. You're not getting in the car with my partner in there. How about you step back and face this flag?
No, you guys made
Tara,
me pee my
you're,
pants.
okay, you're gonna go to the ground again if you don't start listening.
No, no, no.
Face the car and listen.
Did you pee your pants?
Yes.
You do.
No, I
Get in the
didn't.
car. Get in the car.
Let me call school. Make sure they
Please stop. I'm not trying to fight with you guys. Please.
The season near the end. We'll be in the. Yeah. What was she saying? She said there was a dog in the car. What's the dog?
I want to call my daughter or my mom. I don't want my
give us
dog to
information.
go. I don't want my dog to go.
What's their phone number?
I don't know in my heart. It's in my phone.
Does your phone have a lock screen? Do you know your
Yes.
passcode to your phone?
I think my daughter.
If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I want to personally tell you thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Also, we really appreciate your support. We're a small channel, and every bit helps us grow. So please hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our daily police body cam content, and leave a comment down below. We respond to every single one and truly value your feedback. Let us know what you thought about the video, and let's discuss what happened. See you in the next one.